You have a Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, or the S20 Ultra. I'm going to show you how you can turn on the grid lines on your camera here, okay? So, and it'll show up for the video as well as photo, okay? Video, photo, doesn't matter if you're on selfie mode. You can see the grid lines right there. Even if I flip it over, you can see the grid lines. So very, very simple. The only thing you got to do is just open up your camera. So a shortcut to the camera is double clicking the power button. So 1, 2. Then top left-hand side is the gear icon for the settings. Tap on that. And then what you want to do is just scroll down until you see grid lines, okay? So if I turn it off, now you can see that the grid lines is no longer. And if I go ahead and go back into here and I turn on grid lines, now you can see the grid lines are on. So pretty simple.